On this wheel, we have 5 different bowling balls and then 2 player choices. Land on choice, that is choice for the player that is up. If it's opponent, then the opponent choose one of the 5 bowling ball options on the wheel. We have our opponent, Louis Nip.
Oh boy.
How we doing, man? Thanks for coming.
Yeah, anytime.
How we feeling?
I was feeling really good until we started warming up. Should we tell them what we're bowling for?
Yeah.
Some PSA 9 Charizards.
Frame number 1. I'm gonna hoping just to get lucky here. It's got a chance.
I get the gold label.
I feel like that's a pretty good option.
Yeah, that's like the one that looked the best for me.
Maybe? Oh, it's a 10 back. Go ahead and subscribe to the man for a 10 back for his first shot. I almost forgot we had the wheel for a second.
Yeah,
I was like, what ball am I gonna throw this time? The wheel will let me know. Oh, I get the gold label this time.
I feel like that can't be the same ball I just threw.
Wait a second, did I throw the wrong ball?
Oh, you know, that was the wrong ball. You threw a virtual energy blackout.
I did.
This is yours?
Mark
it 0.
All right. We're gonna run it back.
Mark it 0.
Oh. I paid the price with the bad rack. Both were equally not great. The first one just happened to strike. Serves me right.
Anything but the magic gem because it looked terrible. It hooked too early. Opponent. I should
Throw the magic gem.
I should have said that. Maybe I said that so that you could pick it for me because I knew what was coming.
I want you at your best. I think he was sandbagging.
That's my first lead ever against Darren Tang.
I think he was sandbagging because his look was awful. Those are the 2 best shots I've seen so far. 2 of his best. He's been working on it. His ball roll's looking a little better than last time. Now I get the Vivo. Oh, help. Maybe we are bowling on a house shot.
Let's see. Vibo. Push.
Whoa!
That was pretty bad.
As you can tell, not the freshest of oils.
No.
Because that ball hooked as soon as it touched the lane. You should give me one of the Charizards if you miss. Oh, he aced it.
I have not thrown straight at a 5-pin.
I'm gonna miss it.
In a long time.
Bowler. I hook at the 5-pin. I'm gonna
Yo,
miss it.
spin the
No,
wheel, bro.
Oh yeah. Now lost in the sauce. Opponent's choice.
Can I have you throw my spare ball?
No.
No. Let's do the TNT infused.
He wants to lose.
I probably should have said magic gem.
You definitely should have.
I'm gonna go on a limb and say that was the wrong choice for me to pick for you.
You had 5 options and all 5 options were wrong.
All right, let's see. I get choice. I'm gonna throw the Zen Gold label because that one looked really good.
Super shy.
All right, good choice, good choice, good choice. When I first drilled the gold label, I didn't really match up with it, and then more games got better.
More games. Infused. Oh no.
That's tough to beat. How about you don't spin infused anymore?
He didn't hear what I said.
What'd you say?
I let go of it and went, oh no.
Oh, of course. Infused.
Oh. Oh.
That sucked. All right.
A shot. Do you have any desire to go pro at some point?
No, 0.
So you're the man of the people. You're gonna do the house shot reviews. You're gonna be the house shot hero, the league guy.
Yeah, I mean, like my goal is to be a good league bowler, give the people a good house shot review.
You did just bowl 850, so I'd say you're a pretty good league bowler.
856 is my highest ever.
I think that's my highest series ever as well.
Woo!
I didn't spin that nearly as hard as I said I would. But gold label.
Jeez.
That little flip. I feel like I'd throw it terrible in league, and then we come here on Wednesdays, I throw it 100 times better. I don't get it. League feels so bad.
Oh, TDX. Oh, boy.
Brooklyn! Ain't no way, bro. I mean,
whatever you said,
nice result.
right back at you ×2.
Ain't no way. You mean I've dead flushed every shot so far.
Oh, that's
I broke it! Your choice.
For my choice, I'm gonna say magic gem.
If I strike here, I think I win.
I would probably agree. Stand up and fight, Big Four. Jeez.
That hooked so early.
Stand up and fight. Yeah, I don't know, man. The thing said TDX, and then you threw it.
That was pretty good.
Gold label.
You have the endless 10th frame, so I need them all.
10th frame gold label.
Oh, see, this is why you really gotta
just
focus.
Collapsed it.
You gotta focus on what you're doing and not what your opponent's doing.
No, that was a good shot.
It was literally the same hit, and he 4-9'd instead. Honor system?
Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot at the 9 pin.
You're just gonna take the count?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take count.
I was gonna say honor system. You shoot the 4 pin, and then I'll give you the. Yeah, I think you got it. Or no.
I think it popped out, right? It would have fallen.
I saw no pin pop out.
Yeah,
lane 5, ruining the integrity of our match. All right, this is the fast one. Ready?
That is.
I was a little concerned it was like gonna fly off and hit me in the face. My choice. This one I feel is the one. Now that Jesse reminded me there's an endless 10th frame, I am going for the best options possible.
Yeah, but you're pacing 280.
I am.
I'm gonna have to strike like 15 times in the 10th frame.
Are. Curve. Oh, that ball curves.
Hey, how come I see you shoot these videos and sometimes you shoot like 220?
What do you mean? We don't count.
215.
We don't look at the score.
You shoot 280.
We don't look at the score. We're here purely for information.
Choice.
Choice, bruh.
Golden.
You sure? You just 4-9 with that ball.
I did, but now I know what to do. I just move a little bit. Oh! I fouled.
Unlucky.
I'll take the foul, honestly. I don't really want to. No, I'll take the foul. It's on an open.
Oh, you got to spin again then if you want to take the foul.
Spin again.
Here's our strike shot. It's gonna be gold label.
Infused. That would be funny if it was gold.
Infused. It's the best ball in his bag. I'm a liar.
Yeah, that did not feel good.
All right, choose my ball.
Which one have you not thrown yet?
I've thrown them all.
Okay, let's do the magic here. Oh, it's a washout. 280?
I know my stuff.
Debo.
You need to essentially shoot 300 to win.
I need the next 12 to win by
by
6. Yeah. All right, well, starts here. All right, if I do this, you guys got to.
You got to keep spinning the wheel though. Hey, oh!
All right, well, that's all she wrote, folks.
What do you mean? You have the endless 10th frame.
No, it's not there.
You said it's not. No matter what, you still have a chance.
Hook at your spares, folks.
I was waiting for him to nut the head pin and have that 2 pin go around the 4. I hate this thing. Gold label. I've stood in about the same spot for every ball. That's not great. Paid the price for a bad shot.
Yeah, I got you right where I want you now.
That's not cool, man.
You're gonna hook at this or you're gonna?
No, I am not a league bowler. I don't understand. I bowl league and then I'm like dog water, and then I come here and I feel like I could win a tournament.
I have an idea for a new merch. I am a league bowler.
There you go. Do you have your own merch?
No.
Just for shirt. Opponent's choice for our final bowling ball of the night.
Opponent's choice. Let's see your tour dynamics.
See the tour dynamics. We're gonna
for your fill ball.
Open and close with
for
the TDX.
259.
It should have been 300.
All right, if you don't strike, my next shot is worth 50.
If we were on your channel, you could make the rules.
Yeah.
Oh!
So I need 10 in a row right now. Oh, I gotta spin.
I should have brought a lawn chair and some popcorn. I could just sit out there and.
Gold label. Wow, look at that. What are the chances it landed on my favorite ball?
I should spin for him now. Brooklyn!
No chance.
Oh, he's still alive!
Do I spin it again or do I just stay with this ball?
Oh, God.
I'm gonna go to the virtual energy blackout with the bat thumb.
There we go. Ah, we needed that endless 10
That
frame,
is
man.
all she wrote. I'm gonna pencil in this.
Oh, we gave you a strike. All right, it's not over yet.
All right, it's not over, I guess.
We've broken the rule 3 times this match so far. Wheel.
All right,
Ball don't lie.
195.
Ball don't lie.
Ball don't lie, yeah.
Ball
that's
don't
true.
lie.
Yo, bring that same energy to Samstown, dog.
I don't particularly like Samstown. I haven't had a whole lot of success there, but
You are?
thank you, sir.
I'm the mayor of Samstown, so.
Look at that. He's a man of his word. We got some guards in there.